Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy soup for weight loss. First, select your ingredients carefully. Focus on lean proteins such as chicken or beans and load up on colorful, non-starchy vegetables. Choose a low-sodium broth to manage your salt intake and consider adding a small amount of healthy fat, like 1 tablespoon of olive oil, for satiety and flavor. This thoughtful planning sets the foundation for a nutritious meal. Once your ingredients are chosen, it's time for preparation. Thoroughly wash and chop all your vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. If using raw meat or dried legumes, pre-cook them according to package directions. Measure out your spices and herbs, having everything ready before you start. This mise-en-place approach makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook. In a large pot, sauté your aromatics like chopped onions and garlic in a small amount of olive oil until fragrant. Add your prepared vegetables and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. Pour in your low-sodium broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, then stir in your pre-cooked protein. Let it cook until everything is heated through and flavors meld. To finish, enhance your soup's flavor. Stir in fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon juice, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce right before serving. Always taste and adjust seasonings as needed. For convenience, portion your cooled soup into individual containers. Store these in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days or freeze for longer storage, ensuring healthy meals are always on hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.